Alright guys, we're heading down to Naples. We're going to do a crack injection on a brand new suspended pool. It's about a story up. We're going to do an injection into it because the pool is leaking through the concrete. And let's see how it goes. Hey guys, Jeff with Leaky Subsurface Locators in Naples. We're over here at this pool leak. They just built it. We're going to be injecting it with an epoxy injection. Going to seal up this whole pool. We got Lance, my buddy Lance over there with Roman Construction. He's going to be the head person on the job. And in the video, we're going to show some stuff downstairs because this is a raised pool. All right, we'll see you in just a couple. All right, now we're underneath the pool. We're getting it all prepped up. You want a mat? Right now, he's drilling in the hole so we can put it in the injector. Hey guys, kind of hard for you to see. I'll show you the packers. So we put in these packers in here. I'm going to inject the grout inside the crack. This thing has a crack that runs all the way down on one side. And we're underneath the pool right now and they're working, so it's a little loud. And then the crack runs all the way to the other side. All right, we're going to go up on top and see what they did there. All right, so right now I'm in the boat garage. They got it all covered up. You can see the pilings there. Where they park the boat. All right, so what we did so far over here is you saw we chipped out all in here, and then we drilled some holes at an angle, and we're going to eject sideways to fill in the crack and all the voids that are there. All right, guys, we're going to take these packers and we're going to bang them into the wall. Everybody's going to bang them in. Okay. You got glasses on. It's just water, so this is no big deal. Don't twitch you. Good for you. Slowly. Sometimes water. I know where it's going. It's fine. Alright. So now he's going to put the epoxy in. Good. So right now he's pumping it through the wall. And it's going all through the wall inside the crack. So it's going to travel through and it's going to seal up any leaks and crevices that are inside there. Now this pump is pumping in at about 3,000 PSI. So it's squeezing through every little nook and cranny inside that wall. So he is still pumping. So that means there's a really big crevice inside there. It's pumping and pumping and pumping. Just heard it. Oh, it's taking more. That's a big leak inside that pool. All right, guys. So we're doing the injection, and you can see coming out. Totally different spot than we injected. So this stuff is traveling through the wall, and it's finding every little nook and cranny inside that wall and sealing it up. So we're outside of the pool on the other side. This is the wall. Pool's up there. Let's go up and take a look. Let's take a couple stairs to get up there. So there's the house. Pool. Beautiful view. So right now we're working on that wall inside of the boat garage. But I'm going to take you to this outside wall here because I want to show you the water that's coming through the wall. Now they already waterproofed inside the pool and it's still coming out. So right here down the stairs, see the water just dripping down. Follow this cold joint, water dripping down, water dripping down. Now this leak may not be right where this cold joint is. This leak could be anywhere inside this wall, but this is just where the water found its way out. Let's go back inside. Back in the boat garage. Water. Garage. And they're still going. And there's different spots. It's kind of hard to see on the video. There are spots where it's coming out, and it's not where we're injecting. It's coming out in other places.
You don't want to force it in too fast. Oh, that's fast. You want to go slower than that. Barely open it. Oh, then that's a gushing hole. You want to stop that one? Stop that one, right? Come back.
All right, so we're heading back. Long day, driving from Naples all the way up to Loxahatchee. It was about a hour and 20-minute drive with traffic. All right, in the video I said they waterproofed the inside. That wasn't us that did it. That was the builder. He put a waterproof in there to try to stop it. It didn't work, so we're going in with the injection to try to stop all the leaks coming through. Later, I'm going to do another video where we're inside and we're going to do some work inside. So we're going from both ends, inside and outside the pool, to make sure that thing is watertight. So when they finish it, homeowners got no issues with any water coming through the pool, going in their house, or damaging their property. All right, guys, until the next time, we'll see you.